Today I'm going to try and do the rear seat mod in the new Mira. I'm going to have to take it out again once I do it, but I need to have the mounts in there while I paint the inside of the car, because otherwise I'll have to just scuff it up again and do the mounts and stuff, so whatever, that's cool. I'm going to do a heap of measurements and then marking and stuff, so then everything's in the right positions, and then riv nut everything in place. I've got a few measurements down away from the thing and there, and then down the bottom. I should be able to triangulate them. Now I need to drill the tack welds out. There's only 4 on each one, so it shouldn't be too hard. I don't have the proper tack weld drill bit, but it's a brand new Irwin drill bit, the right size, so let's hope it works well enough for me. The tack welds all drilled out on this side. It's pretty easy. It only took me like a minute or two, I guess, not too long. With a good drill bit, it's good. You should just pry off now quite easily. Oh yeah, look at that. My rear seat mount. Too easy. Got both my rear seat mounts ready. So this is the, I should have labeled them left and right, but I think I can remember. There it is, basically where they go. Like that. And then I'll weld them in. So there's little marks for them. Not marks, but there's a flat spots where they go. So yeah, should work easy. I've wire brushed up the faces a bit. I need to measure and mark where these go. I basically got it, but I'll just measure it and make sure it's right against the measurements I took in the other car, so should be good in a second to weld them in place. Okay, there's my seat mounts in, nice and tight, should be good. Now I'm going to riv nut some other things and drill some holes and do some stuff. I have to worry about seat belts another time because my riv nuts don't bolt to the seat belts because there's some weird thread. And I'll have to get some special riv nuts or some special bolts that bolt into my riv nuts. That's okay. I'm going to continue on with the seats and just get all the mounting right. Should be pretty easy. I've already done the bottom ones, bolted in, bolted to the seat, folds up and down nicely. Yeah, I'll do the other ones and we'll be good. Okay, these riv nuts work for the seat mount, so I'm going to do the riv nutting. Fit some new too. Oh, I've spilt these everywhere. No, I'll have to drill that out a bit, but that's okay. This is my first time using a riv nut gun. I'm pretty excited because it's a very cool tool. God, it's very hard. Look at that. Riv nut, nice. There we go. It's time to get the thread started. Okay, it's looking good. I got my rear seat in. Almost. I got the front washers in. I need to drill 2 holes here and here to put the nut sets in. Seat belts are good there, but I need to do one here, and one down there for the seat belts at the back. But other than that, I mean, that's a pretty good rear seat, I reckon. Looks good. Rear seat is installed. Yeehaw! Look at that. Nice. Looks good, I reckon. Yeah, I need to get some different bolts for the seat belts, but that's okay, I'll do that eventually. For the moment, that's enough progress for me. Like and subscribe to keep up with the build. See you on the next one.